Growing grapes in Jamaica is a luxury, and I feel so honored. I grew me some grapes, except that they were damaged with the hurricane Melissa. I had this little bunch, two fall off there, and I left them because they weren't ripe. I decided I just going to let them stay. They were a little sheltered, but you can see the outcome of it. So yeah, this is my grapevine. I'm really not sure if there are any more on there, but I'm going to set up my grapevine and give it some justice so it can produce again and do better this time. So it's just this bunch that I saw before. Now that the vine is looking like this, I am going to have to take action. I am going to build me a trellis, a proper one, and just fix it up properly. So I need to act swiftly so that I can feed my vine so that it can start produce again. One thing for sure, I wish I had just eaten these turn nevertheless, but it is what it is. I am going to try to take you through the process of me building a trellis for it and try to get the vine together. I have two grapevines. This is the last one that I got, and the other one is around there. I got both of them from Blessings from the Garden, and the one down there is the one that is generally grown in Jamaica. This is an American variety. So I was so looking forward to these little fruits, but it is what it is. Let me see if any seeds are inside. Ooh, no seeds, but insects. So it's just this little green one. I should have just left it, just pick off these, left the green one, let it ripen, and then I would have had a taste, but let's call it a day. So I realized that grapevine, they need much sun. I know that much. They need sunlight for sure. And I feed them with manure. So I have some manure in the soil and I have manure on top. The ones on top acting as a slow release. And they like water, but not too much. I realize that much. It is in a 3-gallon container right here. But I believe the roots have gone into the ground because when I tried to shift the container, I realized I was feeling roots attached to the ground, to the earth. But I'm not going to trouble that. I've seen a few persons growing grapes in Jamaica. So I know it is legit possible, and this is my proof for myself. And the persons that gave me these grapevines, they also had harvests of grapes before. I'm truly not sure if there are any more on the vine right now. I would love that. I would love to see blossoms, but I need to act swiftly, like I said, and get things going. Yes, so come along with me as we get it sorted out. So this is the other grapevine that I mentioned, and the trellis is leaning over and everything. I am going to see what I can do to get this sorted. Storm is over now. Ooh, I can see the sunshine somewhere beyond the clouds. I feel heaven, heaven is over me. Over me, come on and set me free. Yeah. Yes, Jamaica, the storm pass.
but we still devastated. Many lives lost and government not stated. This reminds me of the earthquake in Haiti. Missing me people who homeless now have no clothes that shake me. How where this for look where you come to Melissa. The bread basket mash up, can't believe it, can't register in my brain. People are all out. Me have to speak to Mr. Prime Minister, hope you're hearing what I'm saying. The island stay away, messed up by the hurricane, but we shall rise again. Condolences to who lost a loved one, Lord. Over now.
Alright, my gardening family, so I rest the rain is coming down, so I rest my grapevine on here. Finally pull it out. As you can see, sure was an hassle to get it all sorted out. I mean, I just decided that, girl, you're going to brave up. I'm just brave up. I was prepared for any lizards to jump on me. I decided that I would just run all over the place and I just get it done. Man, I was so relieved when I was finished. So I put 2 holes inside here and 2 down there as well, because I'm going to try to use this little thing that I had before. I'm going to pull it apart, try to use the 2 ends. Oh, and it fell. I'm going to try to use this end and this end and then join them with some wire and run the grapevine on there. So yeah, that's what we're about. So I'm going to pull it apart, secure them in the holes, and I'll be back with you. Alright. What I did, guys, was to put stone in the dirt to firm them up, and then I'm going to cover it with the dirt. So my gardening family, I got me some binding wires. I am going to run it across on here. I'm not going to take it through that long process. I'm going to run the vines on here. So after I'm done setting up the binding wire, I'm going to take my little time and just run the vine across here. My gardening family, this lean all over, lean. When I pull the wire this way, this part went that way. When I pull this part, that part went that way. Listen, listen, yeah, girl. I'm just going to leave it for now. Yeah, as it is right now, it is what it is. I'm just going to probably, I don't know, I'm going to figure out something. But this is how it is right now, my grapevine. So it is more exposed now. So let's see if this baby will produce more. Alright, so this is where I leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet Jamaica.